Hi guys, Luciano here, and you are on Wild Brigante channel. We chosen the camp spot, and I'm gonna set up now. Okay, so this is another variation of the fully enclosed tarp shelter. This is a 3 by 290 meter super light DD hammock. As you can see, there is a little entrance or porch here, and this time around I decided to set up the sleeping area at the back of the tarp. And in front here I use it more as a prep area, just for keeping things tidy and in order. Let me show you inside. This time around I'm trying a different system. Probably I will regret it, but I will update you in the morning. But the system is, so I still got the ground sheet, which is nice and camo, and then I've got the German Army folding mat, my pillow, which is just a puffy jacket, useless pillow, obviously as an emergency jacket, and then I've got this tartan wool blanket. It's quite thin, and I will try if it's thick enough for me to be comfortable at night. And then my usual sleeping bag, down sleeping bag from Decathlon. If you wanna know what brand this is, it's 4x0, I think, ultra light. So temperature tonight is really fair weather. I think it's around 80 degrees Celsius, so I will not have problem in terms of low temperature, things like that. It's just that I'm trialing this system of the folding mat and the wool blanket to see if it's comfortable enough. Now, there is a couple of other things I'm trying tonight. First thing is cold soaking. I've learned this technique from Darwin On The Trail, which is a great YouTube channel. I'm sure you probably know this channel already, but if you don't, I will put the link in the description below, so please check it out. It's a great channel, and I'm learning a lot of things from this guy. But mainly what cold soaking is you put some dried food, in this case I'm use some rice and some other vegetables, and you let them soak in just cold water for an hour and a half or two. There are different techniques to use. This is first one I'm trying. I've just used the cold soaking in this case not to eat cold food, which cold soaking is for. People use cold soaking mainly for a long distance trail, through hikes in the US, these sort of things, and they want to go like they call it stoveless, so where they don't take a stove with them, so they just use the cold water and soak the food for an hour or two, and then eat it that way, so without heating it up. This is a technique for ultralight backpacker and these sort of things. But in this case I use the technique cold soaking to avoid that I need to cook the dried rice for 20 minutes and simmer it. So what I'm trying to do is, and I will see if the cold soaking I've done here for probably 2 hours now, then it will allow me to just heat up the food with the minimal amount of fuel. Let's have a look. The other things I'm trying here is this fire protector or guard from the Coleman Firestorm PCS stove, and in there I've just got a normal tin with alcohol inside, and we will see how it gets cooking. Right guys, not too shabby here, boiling. I'll let it warm up a little bit more. Of course I have a muff that is hanging around the light of the camera. Hopefully she's not going to end up in my food, otherwise it's additional protein. And the guard from the Firestorm PCS, it works really well actually. It's quite windy tonight, but it's working really well. It works as a pot stand plus as a wind guard. So I think I will continue to use this system. Well, I think this technique of cold soaking and then warming up the food on the stove worked really well. I only let it cook or simmer for probably 5 minutes and the rice is nice and ready. So thumbs up, cold soaking. Again, check out Darwin on the Trail on the link in the description below. It's blowing out there. It's a little bit windy. There's no rain so far. It's time for me to go to bed, and I'll see you in the morning. Morning everyone. I don't know if you can hear, but the wind is howling. And it's time to go home. I can stay longer and go for a hike, but yeah, gotta go home. So I don't know how it's looking out there. Still dark here. It's 6:30 in the morning. Slept comfortably, but a bit less comfortable than having an inflatable mattress. But I might do a full video comparison on the pros and cons of having a wool blanket or having a inflatable mat. But for now, let's prepare breakfast.